Hi, good afternoon. This is a beautiful afternoon in London. I mean, the weather is can't be as good as this, and for London, obviously, because we are famous for rain and unstable weather. Okay, at the moment I'm in the climate center. It's one of the main refrigeration and air conditioning supplier, and I was intending to do a video for um, beginner engineers, which is someone coming inside the industry. I don't see a proper um guidance for the beginner in the YouTube. I see clips like someone an engineer is working in the motor, but not the proper step-by-step guidance in the practical way to make you very familiar with the refrigeration unit. And obviously, it's not that difficult job, but once you know it, it's not difficult. But if you don't know it, it will be very confusing, the wiring and everything. So in the last job, I was install a new unit and a new condensing unit, but still it was not working. So, and I was got some spares. This is the ORFs, or the metering device, basically, which is our gas is travel through that section. And what number is this? That could be, it's hard to see, but okay, basically they have different numbers. I can't see the number at the moment. You have to look very carefully to find the number. They start, the dimension of this one start from, let's say, um, 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Um, depends on the size of the application and the vibrator. But let's say in a normal dairy cabinet display, which is a cold drink display you see in the normal shops, usually they use between, depends. If it's 2 meter, over 2 meter, they may use the number 2, and then number 3, and then number 4. So that is not that difficult. It's a very simple job, but as long as you know it. Well, I put the condensing unit, and everything is working nicely. Not nicely, there is no cooling. Everything is working. Condensing unit is running, a fan is running, everything is running, but there is no cooling. And then I notice my side glass, the gas is not moving at all. It's stand still like water in a bottle. And that's not a good sign, because once the motor is on, the liquid, the side glass, the gas should moving, because it keeps circling, the gas keeps circling. So it wasn't circling at all. Immediately I noticed like, oh, there is a blockage, and that was the blockage on that case. And then there was two display connected with each other, so I changed both of them. So I spent my two ORFs, and I'm just replacing, putting it in the car, and you never know when you need it next time. So I'm intending to do some series of videos, and exactly, so the engineer should know where to start and where to end. Uh, Obviously, within the limited refrigeration job, which is usually I do small and medium uh, refrigeration repair, refrigerator repair. So that the videos, it should cover the brazing, electrical work, fault finding, and in case when you go in the unit, there is can be for different reason the unit is not cooling. It's not only the gas, and we're gonna go through that step by step, and I think it will be very beneficial for a beginner, which is, and at least by watching these videos for the fault finding and for brazing and for electrical work, you give a clue, and sometimes you can watch it again and again. You can sit in the over memory. Oh, that was the problem, and I saw it in the YouTube. So let's try that one. Maybe that's the case. Yeah. So Thank you guys, and hopefully, and it will be the start of a new training course, basically step by step for the beginners. See you guys in next video.